Good night. My name is Javier Barco. I am 37 years old. I am of business administration. I was born in Bogota. My family is composed of my wife and my daughter and my cat. I am a happy and worker and friendly. I like books and watch TV. I like watch the movies and listen to music and go to the park with my wife and my daughter. I like eat chips and hamburger and sleep after the lunch. I don't like to cook, to wash the dishes, and I don't like. The daily routine is I wake up at 5:30. I take the shower and I fast at 7 o'clock. I go to school for my daughter at 7:30, and I take my wife to work and go to my work. At 6:30 p.m. leave work. I pick up my wife and my daughter and home, and I dinner at 10. I start at 11:30 and I go to sleep. Thanks and good night.